Escape to a serene and private oasis with this stunning 3-bed, 2-bath country home nestled on 80 acres of breathtaking land. This beautifully maintained property boasts an open concept floor plan perfect for relaxing and entertaining. The property also features a restored dairy barn, livestock shed, and 40 plus acres of high electric fencing, ideal for the hobby farm. With solar panels, in floor radiant heat, and 2 double stall garages, this property offers the perfect blend of luxury, sustainability, and rural charm. You will be ready to harvest your own delicious crop in July 2025. Please check out video description for more details. Thank you for watching.